Deval Morrison here with Bosley Real Estate. Now, many of us have been talking about this building on Jane Street, close to Steeles, that's been having this huge problem with repairs. In fact, they have to spend over $14 million in repairs, and every single owner has just been given a special assessment of $30,000 to $42,000 and only given 15 days to pay. And for those who live in condo buildings, this might be a huge concern because you're concerned, what if this happens to me? So here's some tools to make sure this doesn't happen to you. Pay attention to what happens on the board. Get involved with what happens on the board. Read those financial statements. If you don't understand them, ask a friend to help you. And don't acquiesce the opportunity to be on the board by saying, I don't have the time. Because you absolutely have the time to make sure that your dollars are well spent. And do not vote for people on the board who basically want to tell you what you'd like to hear, that they're never going to increase maintenance fees, because that's not the correct answer. That's why this building is in the situation that it's in. Maintenance fees actually do need to go up. Your building needs things. It needs to have money in the reserve fund, and you need to pay attention to the engineers that put together the reserve fund. Thanks for listening.